Hey guys, welcome back to the sobuZ. So again in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make a professional thumbnail for your content by your phone. Yes, before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates, and if you are already subscriber, then thanks a lot. Here we got one new application and its name is Course. So this is a Course creator app. I have given one link, that download link in my video description. So from there you can also download it. You can easily download through your device. If you are an Apple user, then you also can find it from the Apple Store, or if you are an Android user, then you also can find it from Google Play Store. So this is not a big deal, but from here I have downloaded, and here I have started like I'm showing you that write up thing. So I'm writing that easy thumbnails. So here I wrote, and the down below you can see there is a lot of that background and new designs are there. So you can easily pick up any new designs which is suitable for your videos or for your any content that you are using. So you can also that make it bigger and easier. You can make it more colorful by changing the colors and text, and a lot of options are over there. So this is I'm right now using for my content. So this is easy to create any course or any thumbnails for content, and yeah, that's it. So if you like my videos, please share this video with your friends, and like this video, and that's it. Thanks for watching.